In this video, let's see how to create a DeepHouse style bass sound using Novation's peak synthesizer. I'll tap Initialize to reset the preset to the default state, and now we can design the sound. This is the pattern I'm going to use. Okay, so right now we just have one oscillator running, which is this oscillator 1. I'll make sure its level is at its maximum. I'm going to switch this waveform from sawtooth to a pulse shape. And with the shape in the center, it's a pure square shape. So that's it for the oscillator section. Let's move on to the filter. So I'll bring the filter frequency down. Let's say at about 45. And now we're going to use the envelope to open that up. Now before we adjust the actual depth, let's set up the envelope itself. So it's using mod envelope 1. So make sure you're seeing envelope 1 here. And now for the envelope, let's bring the sustain all the way down and bring up the decay. Now let's bring up the depth control. So that's pretty much the foundation of the sound. Now to give this a bit more bite and bit more body, we can add some overdrive. There's a post filter drive option. So if you tap this voices button and you scroll across here, you'll find this filtered post drive. So let's crank that up. And then finally, we can add some distortion from here. So 3 different layers of distortion to make the sound a lot more beefy. You can try the 12 dB slope. Sounds a bit more open. But I prefer the 24 dB slope, so I'll switch to that. It gives a much tighter result. Now if you want, you can add just a little bit of attack on that filter envelope. So that creates a soft attack. Maybe even some release. Add some release on the amp envelope as well. But I like the attack a bit more snappy, so I'll bring that all the way down. Now lastly, in the same voices tab, let's scroll across and make sure this mode is set to monophonic. So now we can add some glide. Glide works in polyphonic mode as well, but it makes sense to work it here in monophonic mode. And now you can hear that subtle glide. Let's hear this with a kick drum. So that's your DeepHouse bass sound. Hope you like that, and stay tuned for more.